How do we create passive income streams as a W-2 employee? So here's my answer, okay? Number one, you got to be a damn good employee, man. Your salary is a direct result of the value that you're creating. So if you want more income, become more valuable, okay? Number two, I told them invest in yourself. Invest in yourself, man. If you're not making more than $200,000 a year, you need to invest in yourself. And why? It's because it helps you become more valuable, man. And then number three, turn active income into passive income. So once you're valuable enough to have 50,000 plus to invest, you have to find ways to turn that into passive income. So first, you have to know what passive income really means, though, okay? Because it's interesting, man. A single family home that you own and rent out is not truly passive. You are the landlord, which means you just created another active income stream. Another active income stream. You'll never create wealth through active income, ever. Listen, you'll never create wealth through active income. So instead of using that hard-earned active income, use it, that hard-earned active income, instead of using that to create more active income, use that hard-earned active income to create passive income through vehicles like multifamily real estate. Once you've reached that level, then give me and my team a call, dude, and we can help you put your money to work. But you got to get there. 50,000 plus, ready to invest passively. But you need to invest in yourself until you can get there.